I am here with another video, and today I am going to prepare chicken breast. I'm going to do stir-fried chicken breast with all these I have here. First I have pak chow, I have broccoli, cauliflower, some string bean, a piece of cabbage, carrot, and all my 4 pepper here, and I have 2 different type of onion, the red onion, the purple onion, and the white onion. I have garlic, I have hot pepper, and I have scallion. Okay, and I also have thyme. And over here is my dry ingredients, which I have black pepper, garlic, onion season, and Mr. Dash. Okay, I'm going to prepare my stuff and I will be right back. Okay, so come with me. I'm going to wash all these things and I will be right back. Okay, I'm just going to put some water, and this is some vinegar. I'm going to throw in my water to wash my vegetable. These have been soaking for like around 2 minutes now. So, just going to wash them off. Small. So I'm gonna put my dry season. I told you I have salt, onion powder, garlic powder, Mistress Dash, yeah, and some black pepper. Just rub it together and put it down to sit down for like 2 minutes before I start. I'm gonna cover this and let it sit till I'm finished with my vegetable. Okay, I'm gonna wash my board with soap water because of the meat, and I'll come back. Okay, yes ma'am, I am back. And when you're doing stir-fry vegetable, you don't cut the vegetable small. Okay, shrink too much in the pot. Put these over here. Okay. I'm gonna open these. Coconut oil. That's good. Okay. I'm gonna just put a little tip of the soy sauce in my pot. You know, not much because I think these things are very salty. Just a little tip. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I think I can take it out now. Okay, I put my onion, my scallion, my thyme, and my garlic first. Okay, and my pepper. I'm gonna put my carrot and my bean, my string bean. My string bean is very, very soft. Very, very soft. And remember, we're doing stir fry. So, here, not much. Okay, and my season, a little garlic powder. Ooh, smells good. Okay. My broccoli and my cauliflower, my cabbage. I'm just gonna put everything and my broccoli. Start. The chicken coming out. Okay, I think I'm done. Turn this stove on, and I think it's ready to heat. Okay. Okay, guys, this is my finishing touch, and I know it look good, and I can tell you that it tastes good. Okay, just remember, please, I'm begging, like, share, subscribe, leave a comments down below, and share with your friend. Okay, and if you want me to do something special for you, let me know in the comments box. Okay, thank you all for watching. You have yourself a pleasant and a wonderful day or night. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye.